today, well, I'll just show you what today is. Okay, so it is May 6th, Sunday. And I wanted to come on because a couple of you sent me emails going, oh my God, see, babe, your hair looks so much shorter in that video. Did you cut your hair? Did your hair fall out? Girl, no. My hair shrinks up like crazy. Look at this. And it's still shrinking. I had my hair up for 5 days without water or anything. And so it just started shrinking. And I should have done that video when I first put it up, when it was all juicy and extended and all that stuff. But I didn't. But I just want to come on today to show you that C Babe still has hair. C Babe may not have on a lot of makeup, but C Babe has hair. Okay, I did not cut it, didn't break off or anything like that. I'm going through section by section, detailing, pulling out the shed hair since I had it up in that puff. And so I'm preparing to put it back into my braids or my twist with my shave aid in it so that I can continue on this journey. So I'm just going to use a little bit of my C Babe's Kinky Girls Co-Wash Me Clean Moisturizing Conditioner. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this in my... And you see how short my hair is, girl. My hair is no stranger to shrinkage. I am the shrinkage queen. Okay? So, you see that? See that? So no, C Babe's hair did not fall out. C Babe's hair was not cut. So no need to worry. Don't be getting all mad at me. My ends are still very healthy. See that? So I'm just going through and I am detangling and pulling out shed hairs. And all of that. My hair is healthy. It's never been more healthy before in my life. And I love it. And it's going to shrink up again. So, as you can see, it's shrinking up as I am speaking. The shrinkage queen, girl. I am the... There's nothing to worry about. Look at those healthy clumps. Look at that. I'll just do this one section right here. And then for real, yeah, I gotta go. This co-wash conditioner is the truth. My hair is so moisturized, and y'all, I haven't even put water in my hair. I haven't even put water in my hair. All of this moisture is coming from the conditioner. The Kinky Girls Co-Wash Me Clean Conditioner. The C Babe's Kinky Girls Co-Wash Me Clean Conditioner. Now, if you can imagine, if I wasn't pulling on it and manipulating it like this, the big juicy curls that would come from this moisturizing conditioner. Look at that. See that? See that shit here? The hair in the back is way curlier than the front. The front is looser. And to be honest with you, I've watched quite a few videos over the years, and that appears from the videos that I've seen to be the case, where the back is typically curlier than the front, and the front is looser. So I don't know if that's an inherent trait of ours or from those of the videos that I've watched. And is that genetic or what? But it's just really weird how my back is just super, super curly and the front is loose. If you guys have that type of curl pattern, let me know down below. Or how are your curls distributed on your hair? Is the back loose and the front curly? Let me know down below. I am just curious. And this detangles a lot easier on this side than the other side. That's good.